they will never correct it to proper perfection. Never. Never. They are in a permanent state of crisis. It will not be resolved by any reopening of any list. You can open it because already una lo mo register le ka mona. Ora ro swantse ntshiwe wola o tsentshiwe wo ke mo ka ola le mo ntshang le yena ke sign off. Ore ke ntshiwa jwang se ke tse. It will never be resolved. That's how the IFP died. That's how the NFP died. That's how the ANC is going to die. It's the end of it. So lena le re mola le bona ANC ikwa la se build an alternative. We must exist everywhere where the ANC exists. In Palabura, in all the wards. Ore ANC ikwa ba re ba lebella ba gre berete ye miso. Le ba re ka marule ANC ikwa ba gre berete ye miso. Everywhere. Le swantse le be le dinko tsa go feta tsa dintja di kwa monkgo ANC go lo re e ka mo le mata gore ba rena le bona marethe ba ona mo ba yang. They are not going anywhere.